Okay, but in case you don't, and to kind of inform our improvers, I'm just going to talk to you for a minute. Is that okay? Akshay?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so tell everybody your first and last name.
My first name is Akshay, last name is Ahuja.
Ahuja. And where do you live, Akshay?
In South Huntsville.
You like it down there? South Huntsville.
South Huntsville.
Yeah, South Huntsville is good.
It's fit in really well.
How long have you been down there?
2 years.
And how long have you been in this area?
2 years.
Okay. And where were you before that?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. What did you do in Abu Dhabi?
Waiting for Garfield.
Okay.
Yes, there is a song.
I don't get that reference. I feel bad. That's okay.
I worked over there.
Okay. And before Abu Dhabi, where were you?
Sacramento.
All right. Where did you grow up?
North Carolina.
All right. Now, tell me kind of what your day was like today.
I went to work and read every bit of news about coronavirus. Or was forced to read every bit of news about coronavirus.
Okay. What'd you have for lunch?
Nukes. Salad.
Yeah. It's good stuff.
With my
Oh, with Bessie. Got it. Okay. And what do you plan to do with the rest of your weekend?
I'm day drinking all day tomorrow.
Yeah. Good have a plan. Okay. Now, this game is called Honk Ding, and this is where you come in, honk and ding, right? So the way that this goes, and I'm going to pull this down so that you can get the full experience here. But one of these players is going to be portraying you on stage. And the situation is that they're going to portray you as if you were on your first date with someone. Okay? Now, they only, for the most part, they only know what they just heard about you, right? So they're going to be kind of trying to feel out the situation to see how close they can get to the real Akshay Ahuja. So what you're going to do is if they say something, if your character says something that is way off, that's something you would never say or do, you can give them one of those. You're like, no. But then if they get something that's right, hit that bell. If they get it's really right, you can do it a couple of times. Okay, so you're directing their actions to try to align with the truth of you. Got it? All right. Where are these folks going to go on Akshay's first date? Arby's.
Arby's.
First date to Arby's. Players, are you ready?
Yes. Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm Akshay. Sorry, I sometimes forget my name. It's not Akshay. It's really Peter.
My name is Suzanne.
Oh, nice. Hey, Peter. Hey, I'm kind of worried about. What would you say your name was again?
It's Suzanne.
Oh, I like that name. Yeah, it's nice. Is it short for like Susanna?
No, just Suzanne.
Okay, that's cool. Hey, do you like Garfield?
No.
I'm really waiting for like a Garfield comic strip to come back. It's been a while.
Oh, okay. I'm hungry.
Oh, you're hungry? What are you gonna get?
Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, you like to eat? I like to eat a lot. Yeah. Sometimes when I'm day drinking, I'll just like order a bunch of food to my house so I don't have to drink and drive because I'm responsible. Sometimes I get really drunk at my house and then I just run over a couple mailboxes on my way to Taco Bell. It's great. And then my neighbors wonder why their bill came late. I'm like, oh, my bill came late too. I don't know.
So would it be strange if I got a shredded beef sandwich and fed you in the mouth?
No, that would be great. Quick question. How many teeth do you have? That's important to me.
I got this many.
Oh, that's just the right amount. I'm sorry. Wait.
This many.
You need at least 7.
I'm a grown one. Watch this. I grew one.
Oh, that's great, but that's only 6.
You make it really hard, O'Shea.
I'm so sorry.
Lucky you look like a rat.
I do. Hey, you want to see my top knot?
I do want to see your top knot.
Check it out.
Whoa, it's so shiny.
Yeah. days.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get the food, you go get a tape.
All right. Sorry, I forgot I said like this. I like to balance while I eat my food. It's
Are you
what
in the yoga?
It's what, yeah, it's what I do where we come from in North Carolina.
Okay.
I was in a community of yogis in the suburbs of North Carolina. We were really into it. We also had half a braid and we were into pina coladas.
I see you like.
We were also really dumb and drank a lot.
Well, okay, I'm gonna eat my food. You gotta go get your food.
Oh, you didn't get my food?
It's all for me.
Oh, it's okay. I'm a strong, independent woman. I'll get my own food.